Straight on to the big story now. The Kerala nun rape case accused Bishop Franco Mulakkal has been produced before the Pala court in Kottayam. The Kerala police is now seeking a 3-day police custody of Franco Mulakkal. The rape accused bishop was arrested last evening in Kochi after 3 days of questioning. Kerala police sources have told India Today that the bishop was arrested yesterday on the charges of having unnatural sex with the nun. Bishop was also admitted to the Kottayam Medical College soon after his arrest as he complained of chest pain. Remember, a nun had accused the 54-year-old clergyman of repeatedly raping and having unnatural sex with her between the years 2014 and 2016. Meanwhile, the top church body, Catholic Bishops' Conference of India, has released a statement backing the accused bishop and has stated that it prays for both the nun and the bishop. My colleague Gopi Krishna Nunathan now joins me on the phone line for all the inputs on this story. Gopi, I've been told that the lawyers of Franco Mulakkal are not really contesting or opposing the custody that Kerala police is seeking, but they have other arguments.
Well, indeed, that is what might actually see during the hearing, because the first part of the hearing is over and the judge has said that a verdict on the bail plea will be pronounced after 2:30. That will be in the second session of the day. It was really interesting to note that the defense lawyer did not really oppose the condition, the police custody application filed by the police team, and he also told that we just have this bail plea and we need this to be sorted out. So they are not really expecting a bail positive response as of now, because it is quite understandable that the routine procedure that is followed is that the first jurisdictional magistrate will either remand the accused or give him to direct police custody. So in that case, once they have got this bail plea rejected, they will certainly move to Kerala High Court, which should happen today afternoon, or if not, on Monday morning, and then things will be taken further, is what we're getting to understand. Interestingly, they have challenged the custody application, citing that there is a possibility that the blood samples and saliva might be forcefully taken by the police without the permission of the bishop, and because there is a chance of that being misused, the court must direct the police not to do that. And also, Bishop Franco was given an opportunity to speak in the court. The magistrate specifically asked him if he was feeling any difficulties, and he said that he didn't have any difficulty, but he told that his blood samples and saliva was forcefully taken by the police, and that was the only communication that the Bishop Franco had inside the court premises. And now we are waiting for the final verdict on the bail plea application that was filed by his counsel, which should come up at 2:30 today.
So Gopi, so no word on whether the court has gone ahead and agreed to the argument that Franco Mulakkal's lawyers are claiming that his blood sample saliva should not be taken forcefully. Have they gone ahead and agreed to these claims?
Well, indeed, the court has verbally observed that it should not be done no matter what kind of case it is. No body samples must be taken forcefully, because there must be clear consent from the accused whenever the body samples are collected. So it must not be forced, is what the court has observed. We will have to wait and see on if this particular observation will finally come on paper, because the judgment will come out only after 2:30, where this bail plea will also be disposed of. We will have to actually wait and see on what is the actual stand of the court. According to the initial information that we have seen from the court, the verbal observation is that that should not be done. We must say that the court has agreed to the demand that was put forward by Bishop's counsel.
All right, Gopi, we'll wait for the custody hearing that is going to be resumed at 2:30 now for more inputs on this particular story. Now, after 14 days of protesting, Kerala nuns will call off the protest today as the rape-accused Bishop Franco Mulakkal has finally been arrested. It was a long battle and a tough one for the Kerala nuns who stood by their colleague who was allegedly raped by Bishop Franco Mulakkal over a period of 2 years. The nuns have thanked all the people who extended their support for the protests. However, the protesters are of the view that the arrest is the first step and they will continue their fight for the conviction. Meanwhile, the Kerala rape survivor nuns' kin have hailed Bishop Franco Mulakkal's arrest as they had been on a hunger strike seeking justice for her. But now they fear that the threats are set to increase from the influential people. Our correspondent Shalini Lobo spoke to the survivor nuns' sisters. Let's listen in.
Franco Mulakkal was arrested last night by the Kerala police, and the complainant Nuns sisters have come here, her siblings are here. Ningalum ivide hunger strike il nirthittundu. This is first step, arrest ആയി. ഇതിനെ നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെ റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യും?
ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ സഹോദരീനെ ഒരു അമ്മയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്ന് വളർത്തിയതാണ്. അവൾക്കൊരു വേദന വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഒത്തിരി ദുഃഖം തോന്നി. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിരാഹാരം നമ്മൾ കിടന്നായാലും എൻ്റെ അനീതിക്ക് നീതി കിട്ടണമെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ വിചാരിച്ചോളൂ. ഇപ്പം അറസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് വരെ എത്തിയത് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഒത്തിരി ഉന്നത സ്വാധീനം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഏതൊരു വ്യക്തിക്കും ഇനി ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു തെറ്റിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ സാധിക്കില്ല എന്നും അതുപോലെ ഏത് സ്ത്രീക്ക് ഇനി നീതി നടപ്പാക്കി കിട്ടുമെന്നുള്ളൊരു വിശ്വാസമുണ്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ കേസിൽ അറസ്റ്റായി, ഇനിയുമാണ് കോർട്ടിൽ ഇത് കൺവിക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, കൺവിക്ഷൻ നീതി അപ്പോഴായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഇവരെല്ലാവരും അതാ പറഞ്ഞത്, അറസ്റ്റ് ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇനി നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത പ്ലാൻ ഓഫ് ആക്ഷൻ എന്ത്?
അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചൊന്നും ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതെല്ലാവരും കൂടി ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം പറയുള്ളൂ.
ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങളുടെ വേറെ ഒരു സിസ്റ്റർ, ഷീസ് ഓൾസോ ഇൻ ദ കോൺവെൻറ്റ്, ഷീസ് ഓൾസോ 2 സിസ്റ്റർമാർ കന്യാസ്ത്രീകളാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവർ റോഡിൽ വന്ന് പ്രൊട്ടസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഈ ഇഷ്യൂക്ക് ഇത്രയും സപ്പോർട്ട് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അവരുടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ലൈഫ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഇപ്പോഴും ഭീഷണിയുണ്ടോ, ത്രെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ, എങ്ങനെയാണ്?
ഫ്രാങ്കോ അറസ്റ്റിലായെങ്കിലും പുള്ളിയുടെ കൂടെയുള്ളവർ ഇപ്പോഴും പുറത്ത് സമ്പത്തും സ്വാധീനം കൊണ്ട് പുറത്തുണ്ട്. ഇനി ആയാലും ഭീഷണിക്ക് യാതൊരു കുറവും ഉണ്ടാവുകയില്ല.
That was the complainant Nuns sister speaking to India Today, telling us that right now they're waiting for the conviction of Bishop Franco. The arrest has been done, but the battle is still long. The support of the people is what has helped them to get justice. With video journalist Sanjay Kumar, Shalini Lobo in Kochi, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.